Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the tilt shift feature on Picsart. So open up a photo, select tools here, and select the tilt shift one. So it basically blurs it out. So here, for instance, I only want to see this part of the face, or maybe just like the mouth or something like that, or maybe just the eyes. I can do that. Here I can like adjust the amount of blurriness, I guess. There's also like a radial one. You can also like reverse that. Maybe you just want to blur out the face there. There's also the radial one here. Can I resize that? There we go. For instance, I just want to blur the face, and then I can select this to like reverse it and only like blur the outer part. Once you're done, just press apply. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.